I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch from Otwo to Lebara and want to keep your number, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before starting the porting process, ensure your Otwo account is active and not in the middle of a contract. If you're still under contract, you may incur fees. Step 2. Request a PAC code. Contact Otwo to request a PAC porting authorization code. You can do this via their customer service number or through the Otwo app. The PAC code is valid for 30 days. Step 3. Sign up with Lebara. Once you have your PAC code, sign up for a Lebara SIM card. You can order it online or pick it up at a local store. Make sure to choose a plan that suits your needs. Step 4. Provide PAC code to Lebara. Insert your new Lebara SIM into your phone and follow the activation instructions. During this process, you will need to enter your PAC code to initiate the number porting. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your PAC code, it usually takes up to 1 business day for your number to be ported. You'll allow receive a confirmation text once the process is complete. Make sure to keep your old SIM until the porting is confirmed, just in case you need to receive any important calls. Good luck with your new Lebara service.